Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create an eye-catching retro-style poster in Canva. Whether you're designing for social media, a music event, or just experimenting with vintage aesthetics, this technique will help you achieve a bold, nostalgic look in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open Canva and click Create a Design. Add the text using a bold font. Give it a contrasting color to match our theme. Now download this text as PNG and upload it to our design. Remove its background. Now choose a background. For this, select the image that fits the retro theme and gives our poster a vintage feel. Once done, bring the text in front and adjust its size and position. In the next step, add your main image. Here, go to Edit. In Match Styles, select Painterly. The Painterly effect transforms an ordinary photo into an artistic illustration, making it perfect for vintage-inspired posters. Similarly, apply the same Painterly effect to our text. In the next step, add a frame that goes with our vintage theme. For a pop-out effect, duplicate the main image. Adjust it over the behind image and crop it from bottom like this. These small details create depth and give your design an authentic retro personality. Now group these three layers together. In the next step, for creating a bold retro-style text effect, duplicate the text and place it slight offset to the main text. Here, change the text color to any contrasting color. This will give a bold shadow effect to our text that goes perfectly with our vintage theme. We can also use resize feature of Canva to get our poster ready for different social media platform. Like here, for Instagram, change its resolution. Then just adjust the position of text and main image. Zoom out to see how the overall design looks from a distance. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.